Tired of losing those hilarious Snapchat moments forever? Today, we're diving into how to save your Snapchat videos to your phone's gallery, ensuring those memories last. Hashtag Snapchat tips, hashtag video saving. First up, saving videos you create yourself within Snapchat. After recording your video, look for the download icon. It's a downward pointing arrow over a horizontal line located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap that download icon, and Snapchat will instantly save your video to your camera roll or gallery. Easy peasy. Now, let's talk about saving videos you receive from friends. Open the chat where the video is located. Press and hold on the video you want to save. A menu will pop up. Look for the option that says Save to Camera Roll or Chat. Select Save to Camera Roll and the video will download directly to your phone's gallery. Saving to chat only saves it within the specific chat thread in Snapchat. And finally, if Snapchat doesn't offer a direct save option for a specific video, for example, with expiring stories, you can always use your phone's built-in screen recording feature. Activate screen recording before you play the video, and stop recording once the video is finished. Your phone will save the screen recording as a video file, which you can then trim. Remember to respect people's privacy when saving content. And there you have it. 3 simple ways to keep those Snapchat memories safe and sound.